we divide 565 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get z. So now we put down this 6 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So 565 divided by 5 is 113. So this much for today and thanks for watching.